Hello there, you foot entrepreneurs. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing well because in this video, you're going to learn how to sell feet pictures for money on OnlyFans, Instagram, Tinder, Snap, Facebook, Whisper, and Reddit in 2021. My name is Shaun and I'll be your business advisor in this video. Now, I am planning on creating a course where I detail step by step on how to sell feet pictures so that you can make passive income and have financial stability. If you want me to make a long and detailed video showing you how to make money selling feet pictures, please click the like button, leave a comment below, or hit the subscribe button so that I can know more from you guys. In the course, I will show you how to create ads and target people who are interested in buying feet pictures, as well as how to brand yourself so that million-dollar companies will contact you to have you foot model for them, and I'll explain how that process works. Before we begin, let's talk about the opportunity you have today to make money from the comfort of your own home. I honestly believe that you shouldn't have to work too hard. There are far too many ways for you to earn passive income and live off of your talent, beauty, and creativity. But I understand some of the challenges you're facing, such as not knowing how to go about earning passive income and how to get it going, and that's why I am here for you. I want you to finally live the life you deserve. I want you to leave your job and be able to just become a better version of yourself and live a much more happier life. So my mission as a business advisor is to analyze the situation, the stuff that may be a little boring for you guys, and put the information together to create a strategy for you to follow in the simplest and most effective way possible. So let's go over how to sell feet pictures and how the process works. I want you to think about feet modeling in the same way you think about actual modeling. People like beautiful things such as your body, your face, which if you look at a front cover of a magazine, you'll always see a picture of a woman with a beautiful face, usually with a beautiful body, and they also like beautiful feet for which they are willing to pay a premium. Not only will you be able to sell feet pictures to individuals all over the world, but you will also be given the opportunity for businesses to contact you about feet modeling. This means that you can start earning passive income right away and plan how you will expand your feet modeling business in the next 1 to 3 years. So for example, let's say that you have a good clientele base and are known for having very beautiful feet. You may have a company looking to sell their shoe products and they want to take a picture of your feet wearing the shoes. And the reason for this is because when companies sell shoes or slippers, they know that people buy because they believe that by wearing the same shoes or slippers, their feet will look beautiful as well. It's a psychological thing. No one will buy a shoe if their feet are unattractive and unappealing. So in a way, having beautiful feet can help companies in the footwear industry that are looking to expand their footwear products. Not only do you have the opportunity to work with such a large corporation, but you can also build a large fan base of people who enjoy seeing your pictures. Keep in mind that foot modeling is a form of art, beauty, and admiration. So what should be the first step? The first step, of course, is to get your pedicures done. It's time to take care of your money-making product because your money-making product is now your asset that will provide you with income stability, freedom, a much richer and fuller life, and at the same time, you will be satisfying people's needs, which means that you'll be adding value to people, and this is turned into the money that you will earn. After getting your feet done, you'll want to take lots of pictures from all different angles, invest in a high-quality camera so that people can have high-quality images of your foot modeling poses, and then you'll want to create a website so that no matter which social media platform you're using, you can bring everyone from the social media platform to your website. Another thing you should think about is creating a subscription-based model. This means that instead of selling to your customers once, they will pay you on a monthly basis to access all of your photos and videos, and this will provide more stability and income security, as well as allow you to do what you love best and provide you with complete freedom. When it comes to creating a monthly subscription model, you want to make sure that your price is reasonable, not too high, but also not too low. So for example, let's say that a subscription model for an individual to access all of your photos and videos costs $20 per month. Now let's assume that you have 100 customers on your monthly subscription, which means 100 people are paying you $20 per month. So if we multiply 100 people by $20, we get $2,000 per month. Selling your feet pictures on your website to 100 customers who are loyal to your products can earn you $2,000 per month in passive income. This is how to achieve financial security and become a successful entrepreneur. Again, if you want me to make a long, detailed step-by-step course on how to make money selling feet pictures to have as your passive income, hit the like button, comment below, or click on the subscribe button so that I know whether I should go about creating a video for you guys so that you guys can have more knowledge on how to go about achieving financial success and earning passive income.